Today we are making a calculator app. It also has a refresh button and it is like a normal calculator app. So let's start. So we click on start new project and write calculator. Done. So now it opens. Now we go to screen and properties, align horizontal is to center 3 and align vertical is to center 2. Now we scroll down, theme is device default and title is none. So we drag one vertical arrangement and horizontal align horizontal is to center 3 and height is fill parent and width is also fill parent. Background color is cyan. So now I will drag two text box 1. So now hint of text box now 1 is number smaller number and height is nothing, font bold and font size is 20. So now font bold. Now we command C and command V, so we duplicate it and the hint of it is bigger number. Now numbers only in both text box. And now we drag one label and font bold it and font size is 20 and the text of it is result. We can also do font italic, so it will look a little slanted. So now we drag one horizontal arrangement from layout and background color is to none, align horizontal is to center 2 and align vertical is to center 3. Height is not fill parent but width is fill parent. Now we drag one button and the text of the button is plus, so we bring a plus button in it and now the font size of it is 20 and font bold. So now we command C and command A 4 times it. So now the button 2 is minus. Now the button 3 is multiplication because in calculators there is also a multiplication block, and in the button 4 it is division. So done. Now we drag one button and the button text is refresh. So done. And now the font bold and font size is 18. Return, and now we go to blocks. So when button 1 is click, we go to label 1, set label 1 dot text to, we go to maths, drag a plus block and bring text box 1 dot text. So we scroll down and scroll down. Now we drag text box 1 dot text and now duplicate it and text box 2 dot text. Now we duplicate that button 1 2 and now we change it to button 2, take out the plus button and now delete it. Now we go to maths, drag one and we do the text box 2 is in front of text box 1. So now we again duplicate it and now we will do it again. We delete it, button, the button is button 3 and now we go to maths, drag a multiplication 1 and now the alignment can be anything and now we are again duplicate it and now we drag them, delete it, button 4, and now we go to maths block and bring a division 1. So now the text box 2 is in front of the text box 1. So now we go to button 5. So when button 5 is click, set, we go to set label 1 dot text to, so we go to label 1, set label 1 dot text, we go to text and we go to this, we bring a text box and it will be result. So now when we click on refresh button, the text box 1, the text will be refreshed, and now we will go to set text box 2 dot text or text box 1 dot text to text, set text box 1 dot text to, we duplicate the result one and do it nothing, and now we duplicate it again and do it text box 1 dot 2. So let's check it now. The code is done. So now I've connected it. So let's check. Smaller number I like 2 6 and the bigger number is 8. So now good, and now let's plus it. So 14 is correct, and now minus, so 2, and division is 48, and in the division is also correct. If we click on refresh, everything is refreshed. So it is working good. So thank you. If you want more projects, so please follow me, subscribe and share. Thank you.